Hi, so this is a fun thing that we put together with some members of my band, Jukebox Productions. With my sister, Margaret, who is the DJ and a singer, and Dave, who is the other singer. We had a conversation, an extensive conversation about cream cheese several months ago and how cream cheese is good on everything. And Dave, who is in the video with us, was 100% convinced that you couldn't find something that cream cheese didn't make better. And so the other night at one of our gigs, we decided it's time to try it. We scrounged up all the food that we can, bought a block of cream cheese, and went to town, and here are the results.
Alright, are we doing a count off?
Well, we need to, okay. Hold on.
This is a contest, like whoever gags first will
Okay, so we are doing M&ms and cream cheese, peanut M&ms. Are you ready?
Gourmet snacks.
Cheers, cheers.
Salute.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What?
Was he right?
Yeah.
No way.
Actually, this is really good.
What?
I'm telling you.
It tastes like
Poop?
chocolate cake.
Yeah.
Cheesecake.
The cheesecake, yeah.
Cheesecake.
I told you. What am I?
my
Come on.
Chocolate. It's good. Tastes like chocolate cheesecake.
Oh man.
What's happening right now?
Is it on video?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing cream cheese and pickles.
I think you guys are pushing your luck.
Cheers.
Oh, I love these. They're great on chicken sandwiches.
I'm telling you.
Ah, get out of here.
I'm
Oh
telling
my god, that's so good.
The biggest walnut?
See, what this is about is I told everybody in the band that cream cheese makes everything better. They didn't believe me. Started M&ms, boom, winner. Margaret mentioned the pickles, winner. Now we're going with pecan, glazed pecan. So cheers.
I mean, it's not bad.
Isn't that bad? But it's not.
Pickles are still my favorite.
So far, pickles is the number one out of these three.
Yeah.
All right.
But it's not bad.
What else we got?
Before you became famous.
Oh, wow.
Oh no.
Before Enter the Dragon.
Just get it.
He had
Just
a-
hold it. There you go.
Nice.
Hard-boiled egg.
Hard boiled egg.
How do you call those people? Monk. A Chinese monk. Somebody man. They call him. Anyway, he talked about his 1 foot punch.
What did I tell you?
Or 1 inch punch or whatever.
I'm just saying.
That's good. It's really good, actually. Like, surprise.
That's the new way you're gonna eat hard-boiled eggs. I'm telling you.
Dang, man.
I'm telling you. There is nothing cream cheese will not make better. Nothing.
So that was really fun, and the conclusion, cream cheese is good with everything. If you can challenge this, if you think that cream cheese might not be good with something, please let me know. We are down to try it because holy cow, yum, scriddly dumptious. It was so good. So I am down to try your suggestions. Throw them at me. We'll do some more at our gigs. We need that for our downtime. It was so entertaining. We had so much fun. Pickles and cream cheese. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Pickles and cream cheese. That was my favorite combination. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so fun. Have a good day. Bye!